Welcome, I'm Scott's Dragon, and this is Ratchet and Clank Episode 4.
Which planet should we go to?
The nav computer indicates that there is an important gadget we must retrieve in Iridia.
We'd better get to Kerwan and warn the Rangers. Let's see if we can help out Skid McMarks.
We're too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack! Repeat! Enemy ships are now in the central district of Aliro City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area!
We must assist the Galactic Rangers, activating weapons systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport. Ratchet, now might be a good time to test those weapons systems.
Captain, we have an unidentified ship providing assistance. Transport down!
Yeah!
Whoever you are, thank you. More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch. Large transport down.
He took out another ship.
Whoever's doing heroic things up there, this is our turf.
No offense, Captain, but we kinda need the help right now.
Another transport down.
It appears there are only 3 ships left.
Yeah, another one down.
Just 2 more ships.
Yes, we're on a roll.
1 ship left.
That's the last of them.
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transports. But we still gotta take out that warship.
The Warbot's armor is made of a raritanium alloy. If we could propel a Warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull.
Awesome. How do we do that?
Your weapon package includes a mag booster. I am rewriting the software to isolate the Warbot's armor. Ah, there. You should now be able to pick up Warbots using the mag booster.
Okay, let's try this out. Mag booster active.
There should be some Warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship.
Activate mag booster. Locking on. Now. Warbots away. Boom.
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
Haha! 1 in a million. Let's do it again. Get it.
Warbots successfully magnetized. Setting course for Blarg warship.
Destroy target.
Wait for it. Release warbots. See ya.
warship has sustained critical damage.
Yeah! One more hit should do it. Warbot's in tow. Now let's head toward that warship. Looks like that's all we can handle. Steady, steady. Release! Return to sender. Warship down. We did it!
Way to go, whoever you are!
All systems operational, but we should get back to the Hall of Heroes.
Hey, Ratchet, where'd you go? We're supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Sorry, Brax. Clank and I ran into a bit of, ship trouble. Looks like there's still a few Blarg in the city.
We must have missed them during our sweep up the perimeter. Brax, you better check the Hall of Heroes and make sure they didn't make it inside.
Copy that.
In the meantime, there's a friend not far from your position who can help you out. His name's Al. I was gonna wait until after training to introduce you, but now's as good a time as any. Find him and ask him to upgrade Clank. If he knows it's for the Rangers, he should do it for free.
Is that the holocard guy? Yeah, we know about him.
Citizens of Alero City, I know when you think of me, you think of power, bravado, the kind of raw machismo that tends...
Hey, fellas.
I think you should upgrade the proton drum. That's one of our best sellers. That's how it's done.
Enemy down.
Giving up till I find that Wombat.
You're one dead Lombax.
Blarg coming our way.
Hey, Ratchet, are you at Al's place yet?
Almost there.
Who's out there? Don't make me call the authorities. I am 7 levels into Unicom 2, Return of Unicom. And so help me, if I have to put down this controller... That's it. I'm saving my game. Pausing, accessing menu, selecting options, save game, progress bar, progress bar, progress bar, and save. That's it. I'm calling the
That must be Big Al's place.
Oh, yes.
Oh boy. See? Nothing to it. Holy cow. I've died and gone to nerd heaven. Look at this. They have my blaster runs hot. Fungoid with a stick. Oh, Spiro the Space Moose. They even have the Mega Limited Ultra Edition of Intransigence Fall of Blarg.
That one comes with exclusive content if you pre-ordered through Gadgetron. I take it you're the ones Cora called me about? The ones in need of a new helipack upgrade?
You must be Big Al. It is nice to meet you. I am Clank. This is Ratchet.
Well, any friend of Cora's is a friend of mine. She and I kind of have a will we, won't we romance in progress.
Uh-huh.
Hop onto my workbench. I'll get you all squared away. Just reattaching the sister board, connecting the data port, and presto! Try it out.
Looking good, pal.
Getting back to the Hall of Heroes is easy. Just head this way until you find the Graph Train station. That'll take you straight back.
Thanks again, Big Al.
Breaking news coming out of Kerwan's famous Aliro City. This afternoon, Blarg forces attacked the Hall of Heroes in a daring attempt to assassinate the Galactic Rangers. The assault was put to a thrilling end thanks to the work of a Lombax named Ratchet and his friend... Am I reading this right? Clank? Here's the official statement from local hero, Captain Quark.
I just want everyone to know that the Galactic Rangers have everything under control. I have spoken with President Vironix personally, and he's given me the go-ahead to... The duo forged ahead, using their Helipack's enhanced jump capability. jumps would have only been possible for heroes like myself. Fortunately, Clank's new helipack helped them come closer to my level of greatness. Found themselves at a perilous drop. Would their new helipack help them glide to safety?
Yes, the Galactic Rangers are gonna get fried. You're gonna die, Ronan!
Got it.
I'm gonna motion this.
We are not far from a train station.
The A train is now arriving. Please stand clear. Attention all passengers. Due to the recent invasion, all trains may be swarming with armed Blarg mercenaries. We apologize for this inconvenience.
There it is. Come on, let's hitch a ride. out of it?
Attention, travelers. Grav Train D is about to depart. Next stop, the Hall of Heroes. Please stand clear. The A-Train is now departing.
Delivered to the Hall of Heroes, pronto.
Come on, Clank. Let's make sure that doesn't happen.
Stand clear. The A-Train is now departing.
Delivered to the Hall of Heroes, pronto.
Come on, Clank. Let's make sure that doesn't happen.
Shut
I hope that didn't cost too much. I'm sure there's a very good reason for transporting killer fish. Whoa, live animal.
All in aerial support. You wait for us to mark this mark.
Oh boy, out of ammo. Uh-oh, Blard coming our way.
Those bombs appear to be proximity triggered. They will detonate on arriving at the Hall of Heroes.
I see. And it's time for an early drop-off. This is awesome. So what next? Halo jump into enemy territory? Suborbital combat training?
In time, rookie. Next up is basic training. The captain designed this fitness course to help us reach our top physical condition. Good luck.
Greetings, cadets, and welcome to the Captain Court Fitness Course. Here you'll work on your physical strength as well as your, thinking strength. Are you ready to get started? Then let's go! Congratulations on reaching the summit of justice. Your quadriceps must be burning with righteousness and pain.
Woohoo!
ascend to the Tower of Power. Here you must leap from platform to platform, but tread lightly. These stations will move to one position, and then, without so much as a warning, shift to an entirely different position. Congratulations! You conquered the Tower of Power! Head to the main platform to claim your prize, Ranger! My training course not only builds muscle, it builds character. And here Ratchet finds his very first gold bolt. Let's savor the moment. Okay, enough savoring. Moving on. I see you just finished my training course. Aren't you just full of stuff you can do? Meet me outside the Hall of Heroes. I have an assignment for you. Our heroes paused and gazed upon the mighty statue of me.
Hey, why don't you upgrade the proton drum? You won't regret it. I'll give you a good deal on that one. Oh, nice! Don't forget, let Mr. Zircon do the work for you.
Since you're now one of us, I thought it was time to get you a new ride.
Whoa. A Class G Star Jumper? Is this for me?
Technically, it's Galactic Ranger property, but if you survive, complete this super secret yet completely on the level mission, she'll be yours to use however you like.
What is this secret mission?
I call it Operation Falling Star. Congratulations, Cadet. You've been selected for Operation Falling Star. Galactic Ranger Intel tells us Chairman Drek has a state-of-the-art weapons lab in Nebula G-34. Your mission is to destroy his top-secret project without, and this is important, telling anyone. Ever. Seriously, this is our little secret.
Sure, but I don't see why...
Please save your questions until the end of the presentation. You'll need to access Drek's laboratory using a trespasser, your wits, and the kind of fortitude normally found in more seasoned Rangers. Get in, destroy whatever he's working on, and get out. I'll monitor your position from here. Good luck.
I wish I could be there to see you off, but I have an urgent appointment with my acupuncturist. Call me when you arrive at Nebula G-34. I'm counting on you, Ratchet.
You got it, Captain.
Mr. Zircon is bored. Crates, you dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates?
Where to next?
Skid's agent is still lost.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more in the next episode.